It's like really big snow, the car. The windshield looks alright.
It's coming up the back of the house at the moment.
I know you're getting pretty shielded. This is insanity. I've never seen this before. Oh my gosh. He's driving in this? Insanity! It's like welcome to Christmas. I know. Welcome to a winter wonderland. I know. It's like there's a giant. Well, these things are falling at terminal velocity. They're going to have a bit of momentum to bounce with. I think it's dying off now.
It's like snow. No, it's really odd. I know, but still.
Oh, it's... The what? The cat's in the front window. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it's so safe to watch.
It's got small rivers. You can't even see. It's... Oh my gosh, the backyard's underwater. All that stuff you threw down on the bed, it's all floaty.
Wait,
Stay under the cover of the thingy. This is slightly insane.
when are you going to call this on YouTube?
I don't know. Hailstorm in Sydney?
Australia's having a white Christmas.
Oh, maybe. I think it's easing off enough. Yeah, we're out of the middle of it, so I'm just going to go out.
Is more hail going to come?
Well, it's hail reasonably sized.
Check for it.
I'm taking video.
Oh, is my voice going to be on YouTube?
Yeah, your picture won't. Oh, damn. Get a ruler.
Ruler?
Ruler, get a ruler. I want to measure the size of this.
It's really wet.
Check that out. Look at the formation of it. This stuff's fallen from thousands of feet up. Everyone's coming out to check out the road. This is insanity! We got bloody rivers of ice. We shouldn't be getting any more follow-ups. It was just the one strong cell. Yeah. But that's what went over.
Oh, okay.
I mean, that's what's coming now.
Come on, get a picture. Film that, film that, film that. No, you should pick up one and examine how it's formed.
I know, like,
Wow.
it's really fascinating how they're actually formed. They've got a sort of a central core to them.
Like a circle thing.
With a sort of a...
It's kind of funny with yourself in the